Well, I have to say that Google has made my favorite chair even more comfortable. I just love smart home technology. And using the Google Assistant that's built into a lot of the Google Nest devices, like the Google Nest Audio here, I can use all sorts of voice commands to control the different devices in my home. And that's a question I get a lot. I've got one of these devices. What can I do? Well, I'll show you some of them. I want to watch one of my favorite shows, but I want to get things a little comfy first. Hey, Google, can you set the temperature in the family room to 23?
Family room temperature set to 23.
Perfect. Now I don't have to get up. Hey, Google, can you turn the family room lights off?
Okay, turning 2 lights off.
And now what should I watch? I know. Hey, Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix.
All right, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on family room Roku.
I love this. You can basically ask it any of your favorite shows on Netflix and it will play it for you on your smart TV. And when I'm done and want to move on to other things, I can use it to turn off the TV. Hey Google, can you turn off the family room TV?
All right, turning off the family room Roku.
Well, I'm going to get up and go to the kitchen, but before that, I got to vacuum. Well, I don't have to do that anymore manually. I've got a robot vacuum, a Roomba. Hey Google, can you get Roomba to vacuum?
Got it.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen and see about brunch. So one thing I love about smart home technology is sometimes it can make me even look smarter. So I'm trying to up my brunch game, which typically for me is cereal and milk. Not always popular with the family. So I'm trying to get a little fancier. Hey Google, show me how to make eggs Benedict.
Here are some recipes I found.
So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to select this one. It tells me step by step how to make everything here. And what about a nice mimosa? Hey Google, show me some videos on how to make a nice mimosa.
All right, showing on how to make a nice mimosa videos.
It'll actually go to YouTube and find all the video recipes that I want. And probably the favorite thing for me with the Google Assistant is setting timers. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes for the eggs.
Sure, a 4-minute timer called eggs. Starting now.
What about the sauce? Hey Google, set a 8-minute timer for the sauce.
Second timer, sauce for 8 minutes. Starting now.
Before, I always had to find that stupid timer on the oven or the microwave, and honestly, I could never find it or make it work properly. Now I can just use my voice, and I can keep adding timers to this, which is all kinds of awesome. And it's got a broadcast feature, so if I've got a few Google Homes throughout the house, I can also tell everyone that brunch is ready. Hey Google, broadcast.
What's the message?
Brunch is ready, come on down.
Okay, broadcasting now.
Well, before I even get started on brunch, I am going to go and do a little bit of shopping. I got to get all the eggs and what have you, but maybe make a few pit stops along the way. Hey Google, where's the nearest Home Depot?
I found a few the Home Depot locations near you.
Love it. So I get all of these, I can get directions. Also gives me the store hours as well. I better get to it. Hey Google, close the garage door.